The journey of imagination. Now imagine you are drifting far away from the Earth. The blue planet below is becoming smaller and smaller. You are now in the vast, eternal stillness of the universe. All the noise, busyness, and worries of the world are now far behind you. Here, there is only silence and absolute peace. Physical release. Let your body go completely limp on the bed. Imagine your body has become as light as a star in the sky. The gravity and burdens of the world no longer pull at you. Amidst this cosmic vastness, you are a single point of pure, calm consciousness. Negativity release, the cosmic purge. Gather all the unspoken words, the hurts, the anger, or the sadness buried deep within your mind. Look ahead. There is a massive black hole in the distance. Think of it as a magical cosmic vacuum. Release all the clutter, worries, and darkness of your mind into it. It absorbs every bit of your fatigue and negative energy. Feel your mind becoming lighter and lighter as the darkness vanishes. The blessing of blue light. Now see a soft, glowing blue star in the dark expanse. A cool, sacred blue light descends from that star upon you. This light spreads from the crown of your head down to every single cell in your body. It fills you with positive energy and supreme tranquility. Feel your inner self becoming pristine, radiant, and clean. Restoring the inner sanctuary. Imagine your mind is a beautifully decorated room. Because the windows were closed for so long, some dust had gathered. Now you are throwing all the windows wide open. Fresh air and golden sunlight are flooding the room. Throw away the wilted old flowers, your old pains, and replace them with fragrant, fresh blooms. Look at your mind's room now, how spacious, bright, and serene it is. Gratitude and sleep. You are now completely weightless. A wonderful sense of peace flows through your body. Be grateful to the universe for everything, the lessons of today and the rest of tonight. You are safe. You are protected. Wrapped in this blanket of sacred tranquility, you are now drifting into the land of deep, restful sleep. Good night.